upright zonal geraniums, as they're called, and it's zonal because they've often got zonal markings on their foliage, are an outstanding summer traditional plant in UK gardens. Now, you know, if you think about the municipal displays that we've all grown up and enjoyed in parks and local authority displays over many years, often the zonal upright geraniums represent one of the major centerpieces of those displays. And the reason they're chosen is because they look amazing, they are incredibly reliable, and they flower repeatedly over the whole of the season. Now, Geranium Summer Twist is exactly that. So it's taking that magnificence of the traditional zonal red geranium and it's adding dimensions to it. So this is actually a red and white colour combination. The flowers have got beautiful, delicate serrations to them. So it's not just like an average geranium. This is a special one. And you're getting them in this lovely jumbo plug form. So well-established plants. I think these could go straight into your patio containers, straight into your hanging baskets, but the centre of your hanging baskets, of course. They won't trail. They're going to be upright. They'll grow to 12 inches tall, so going to fill up all of that area under the chains in your hanging basket if you were to plant them there. But I think these could be multi-purpose. Pots on the patio, centerpieces for your hanging basket displays, in beds and borders, in groups of 3. They will look amazing. But it's that colour combination of red and white, the serrated flower edges and the lovely zonal foliage that make it outstanding for me. Now, zonal geraniums can, of course, at the end of the season be kept overwintered. You could put them in your conservatory. As long as you keep them frost-free, they're going to come back year after year. We'll deliver them to you in the mini greenhouses. So this means that when they leave the nursery, they're protected, they're kept in the perfect environment, like a mini greenhouse, until they arrive with you. So all of the labels will tell you, confirm the varieties within it, but the actual mini greenhouse itself ensures that they remain nursery fresh. And if you're busy when you receive them and you can't plant them straight away, don't worry. Just pop them somewhere that's light but not really drying sunny position. So on a really bright sunny windowsill, you'll need to stay on top of the watering, but generally they're going to be okay in here for a few days, with geraniums more so than many other items. So if you want an outstanding new bicoloured geranium to give you displays that will look incredible, that will last with repeat flowers again and again and again, all the way through the summer months, right up until the winter, this is the perfect choice for you. They're upright, they're easy to grow, they're rewarding. They'll even tolerate a high degree of neglect because geraniums, if they're not watered for a day or two, they don't really care. They're really tough and rugged and resilient. So get it in your patio containers and really do set your patio off in the best possible way this summer, and if you overwinter them, for the summers to come.